Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are doing a jelly sandwich. We have got lime green jelly nail polish. It is number 4. I got this off of AliExpress early in the summer when they had a big sale. Here it is. This is just beautiful. Sorry, I'm not even in frame trying to show you this. How bad is that? It's just gorgeous. I love this color. I don't have the link for this. I will try and look for it though. But what I am going to do is put another coat on of this, pop it in the lamp for 30, and apply some stickers. And then we will be popping it with the top coat. Or wait a minute. Get ahead of myself here. After the stickers, we'll be applying another layer of this beautiful, beautiful polish. It is stupendous. I just think this color is stunning. I love, love, love it. Really love this color. So I'm going to pop this in for 30 seconds. The stickers I'm going to be using are some kitty cats. And some of them say, love you. So got my tweezers ready. Got that ready. Got this. I'm going to be using Princess Nails by Diana No Wipe Top Coat. Love, love, love. Check her out. Princess Nails by Diana here and on Instagram. Instagram, it's Princess Nails _by_ Diana. She has her own line of polishes. Definitely want to check those out. She's got a fall collection that's going to be released soon. Soon, soon, soon. I cannot wait to see them. Okay, our 30 seconds is up. We have got our beautiful green nails. And these are gold, so these should go well together. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These are super tricky to get off here. There we go. There we go. So let's see now. Which one did I just do? Okay. I'm gonna attempt to get one of the actual little kitty cats off here. Oh yes. Put that one in the ring finger. Oops. Aha! I did it. I think these are too cute. I'm not sure where I got them. I had to have gotten them off of Amazon with something I reviewed. I'm not certain. I'm not 100%. That's just what I think. That'd be just what I... Whoops. It could be so wrong. I don't think they came from any place else. So if anybody knows, these are nail stickers that are in gold. Trying to get the kitties on the tip so you can see them. So they do also have where it says love you, and it's got love with the kitties, or the silhouette of the kitty with the heart by the tail. I hope you can see these. They are really super cute. So we've got those on. We're going to apply another coat over those to make our jelly sandwich. And pop them in the lamp for 60. Cap your nails, ladies. Don't forget to cap your nails. This one I did the sticker up in the nail bed, which that's okay too. You do it however you want to do it. So I'm going to pop these in for 60, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. They are fresh out of the oven, the lamp, the booth, whatever you want to call it. Here's our top coat. We are going in with this. Love, love, love this top coat. If you ever have a chance to own any of Princess Diana's nail polishes, you definitely want to get the foundations. They are great to have. I just love a jelly sandwich. I love jelly polishes. I think they're so beautiful. Normally I'm not one for polishes that aren't opaque, but you can never have enough jelly polishes in your collections. That's just my opinion. Whoops. Totally got the sidewalls here. A little bit of overage on the sidewall. I don't know if I did the pinky. I hope I did. So now this is going to go in the lamp for 60. And our mani will be complete. Today in southeastern Michigan, it is Wednesday, the first day back to school. I think it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Even though my baby's grown, it's still a great day when kids go back to school. Right, parents? Let me hear you say, hoorah! I know other people in the United States or even other places around the world, they've already been back to school like by a day, I think it is. And I'm not sure when I'm putting this video up. It could be tomorrow, which would be Thursday. Then that would be the second day back to school. But then again, this may not go up till next week. I have another mani I want to do, but I don't know if I'll have enough time. So in case I don't, this is what will go up in its place. So I have cured the top coat for 60 seconds. And I have probably about 4 layers of the jelly polish underneath. So hopefully it'll cure just fine. I've been having trouble with my lamp. I don't know if it's the lamp. Oh, beautiful. They are cured. No problems today in the neighborhood. So here we are with our jelly sandwich. Let's see. I'm hoping you can see the kitties. I think they are so pretty. This one here is up in this one here is up in the nail bed. This one here is on the tip, as well as this one here. This is the real kitty. Oh, they both are. This one says love next to it. So that is our video for today. Our jelly sandwich. If you haven't tried one, you should. If you are new here, because I've recently gotten a whole slew of new subscribers, and I'm so over the moon about it. If you are new here, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through, popped in, and watched a few. Greatly appreciate it. If you are just floating through, you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Click that bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You don't want to miss Saturday's video. It is the original She Modern series, my She Modern Saturday. I do it, that every Saturday where it is all She Modern products that are featured. I mean, yeah, there's some bling involved, but we gotta have the bling, right, ladies? Well, that's about it. Comment, like, share. Please subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for your support and for being here. It's greatly appreciated. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.